para mga but yung pressure, personally meron kasi syempre, mas lalabas na yung character ko on Sean with my stepsister na si Haya. So lalabas na yung complications ng family, yung piningan namin ng tatay namin. May pressure, syempre kasi alam ng readers yun eh, yung pinagdaanan ng Sean and ng kanyang family. So, yeah, the pressure